Hello friends, today I have some stickers and this fish bowl which I got from a $1 toy shop, and here are the stickers which I have, which you can easily buy from any bookshop. Here's the sponge and acrylic paints which I'll be putting on the bowl, and some tape. This is all I need to make this into a very decorative piece. Now I'll first start off by putting the stickers on the neck of the bowl. I'll be at least using 10 to 9 stickers. Remember, a 2-finger gap. It will take some time as it's very long. Keep on putting. The neck is finally done. I can move on to the body of the bowl. I can now put the tape on the body of the bowl. I will put it around in circles. Now I'll cut it just from here. Now I'll start putting circles in the middle of the gap between the tape. Whoops, I was just going to use the acrylic paints. This was the bad one. This one's right. First I'll put the tiny stickers and then the big ones. They'll move in sequence and at least 1-finger gap. One more little sticker, now turning to the big stickers. I will put these all around the body of the bowl now. I'll put at least 10 to 15 stickers all around the bowl. Trust me friends, this is going to turn out to be a very beautiful bowl. Trust me friends, this is going to turn out to be a very beautiful art piece. The stickers are done. I'm not going to use this side as it's a little hard. I will use the other side. Now to put the paint on. Paint, paint, paint. Keep on painting. It will take a little time, but trust me, friends, it will be worth it. This bowl will turn out to be a very expensive bowl, which you would find in big stores such as Potpourri, and for at least 3,000. But you can make it at home for at least 5 to 600. Paint, paint, paint. Keep on painting. It will take a little time for it to dry, but you might want to leave it there for at least 4 to 3 hours. Now it's time to take off the stickers. As I kept it drying for at least 2 to 3 hours, I started to take off the stickers 2 hours early, so that was a little mistake. I recommend you just letting it dry for at least 3 hours. Friends, I'm showing how I take the stickers off in fast forward, but please be careful. I'm actually taking a lot of time in real life. Friends, I'm showing this to you in fast forward, but actually I'm taking a lot of care to take off the stickers, which I also recommend you doing. Keep on taking them off carefully. Now you're going to see a very beautiful art piece. Soon you'll be. I'll be adding in this ball certain dry arrangements. Look friends, it's looking very beautiful. These are the dry arrangements which you can easily get from a bookshop, or you can make them at home. I have also added some pine cones. It will be displayed from these little holes. After this, I'll be adding some fairy lights, which I bought from the bookshop. Look friends, how beautiful it's looking. I'll be adding some flowers which I had already at home. Look, even still it looks pretty even though there's no flowers. But I have added flowers, so it's your choice. Friends, even without flowers, it will be a masterpiece. So my masterpiece is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please tell me in the comments if I should make more videos like this.